question asks us to calculate the oxidation number for the indicated carbon atom. For oxidation number, the formula for oxidation number is the number of electrons the element wants in its neutral ground state minus the number of electrons it owns for oxidation number purposes. For oxidation number purposes in a bond, the more electronegative element of that bond owns all the electrons in that bond. So if we look at this carbon atom, in the carbon-oxygen bond, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so carbon doesn't own any of those electrons. Oxygen owns both of them. In the carbon-hydrogen bond, carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, so carbon owns both of these bonds. Hydrogen doesn't own both of these electrons. Hydrogen doesn't own any of them. And in a case of a carbon-carbon bond, both elements are the same electronegativity, so each atom owns one of those electrons. So for this carbon atom, it owns one electron in the carbon-carbon bond, both electrons in the carbon-hydrogen bond, and no electrons in the carbon-oxygen bond. The oxidation number then for this carbon atom is going to be the number of electrons it wants in its neutral ground state, 4, minus the number of electrons it owns, 4. And so the oxidation number for this particular carbon atom is 0. This carbon atom is at the 0 oxidation state.